Just how to watch the World Cup, I'm going to list a few different streaming services and why they're actually good. The best one by far is the Fox Sports app. Yes, if your TV provider includes it, you get access to literally every single match. It also lets you stream on your phone, TV, and computer. The second best is Fox, which broadcasts most of the games. However, you're not going to be able to find all of them, but it does show the knockout games, the US games, the big matches. But if they're smaller, lower seeded teams that are a lot less prevalent, it's likely that they may not show those matches, so you might just have to look up the score on the internet rather than being able to watch the game if you're using Fox. And this is free with antenna in many areas. Now, the third option is FS1, which you don't want to use by itself, but it carries many of the group stages and the big matches that Fox cannot support. And the final option, which is okay, but I wouldn't fully recommend, is Tubi, which shows some of the selected matches, highlights, replays, and additional coverage. It's good because it is completely free, but overall, to sum up this video, if you do want to see literally every single World Cup match, I recommend getting Fox plus FS1.